YouTube. So I'm gonna make today slime. Slime. It's gonna be fun. But yeah, I'm sorry.
I'm gonna clean that bar off now when you get through with that stuff.
Okay. So I'm making slime. I made this. But I just made this while I was off camera. But I have to knead it. It's sticky. Actually, I have. It's no. Never mind. But yeah, I don't have food coloring right now. But yeah. Alright, let's get into it. I'm going to just put this right over here. You can be able to see it. I'm going to put it right here so y'all can see it. As soon as it get off my fingers. Ugh. Alright, so, yeah. So I have water right here. This. And a knife. Solution. And glue. So I'm going to bring this over here. And then I'm going to pour some of this. So it won't be that thick, like. I'm just going to put water in it. And it makes a lot. I'm going to show you how it does. Alright, I'm going to add a lot of water. Add a little bit more. Add a little bit more because it's getting weird. Like, all right. Switch this water and that. I'm gonna add a little bit more water. I mean, this. Just so it doesn't mess up. Alright. Now just gonna stir it. Alright, so I'm gonna, oopsies. I'm gonna add some of this into it, and I'm gonna stir it up. Alright, this should be enough. I gotta be able to start to pick it up. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. right. So it formed. I'm gonna scrape it all up. It's a good amount. So I'm just gonna keep stirring it up to make sure that it's all right. And I have a container to put it in. Yep, this slime. I'm gonna start putting in my hands this weight. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna still liquidy. Gotta really give it a mix. Alright. Give it a good mix. Just to make sure it's all slimy like. It needs some more. And this is all. Gotta make sure it start getting off the bowl. That's how you know it's good and ready. Yep. Then I'm gonna scrape it off the walls. Alright, so I'm gonna take this into my hands. So I'm gonna grab this. So I'm just gonna rub it off my fingers. I cannot deal with that. It should at least turn up. Yeah. It's basically glue. Wait. Okay, it's Thursday. I can't use that, so I'm gonna have to add a little more. Alright. I think it's ready. I'm gonna pick it up. Need it. It's very okay. But I want more. Alright. It's good, basically, sort of. So, yeah. Alright, so this is the last time doing this, for real, for real. And make sure I stir this very, very good. It's starting to get rubbery. That's probably good. So I'm gonna have to get this out of my finger. I'm gonna do this one again.
William, get that boxes and stuff and put them in the sack bin in that bag in the garbage can.
Alright, so let's see what happened with this. Alright, so I'm gonna mix these two together. It looks like they already molded together. But I need more. So I'm gonna just stir this up just in case. Alright, so got my container. I keep losing my lighting, but it doesn't really bother me. As long as it don't flick on and off. Yeah, fine. Alright. I'm getting a fidget spinner. Alright, so again we're gonna make it. This time I'm gonna put water in it first. And then I'm gonna start stirring it. Poisonous. Then I'm gonna add this. We're gonna start stirring it up. This is the way. And that's the way. I'm gonna just do it hard. I'm gonna make sure I put a lot so the water don't take it all over. Gotta make sure it's all fully stirred. If it's not like a clear white, a white, yeah, don't use it. Use if it's clear like white, then that's good. Keep stirring hard. Alright. So I'm gonna just put the water in there like this. And then I'm gonna start stirring it up. But I'm gonna add a little bit more glue to it. Because I have a good amount of glue. Alright. So, everything is mixed in. Got some of that to it. I'm sorry. Some of this. Alright, I see it like starting to form. But all of it needs to form, so yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna let it sit for a while. And I'm gonna let you have your time. Alright, so I'm back. I just let it do all its stuff. I just started mixing it for a while. I don't think this is good yet, so I'm gonna add some more. Dang. It's starting to get heavier. But it's also starting to get more slimier. So I'm going to just pour off the rest of the water. Well saved. Alright, so I gotta take this off. I'm gonna start stirring this because I know there's slime in here. Actually, I'm just gonna take all the slime into here. It's not see-through. At least I know what's what. All this slime. I'm gonna stir it. I'm gonna put it all in there. Cut. Add a little water to it. Make sure that's not. That was water. But at least we got us more slime. So I'm gonna keep stirring it up. so after I stir that hook up one time, I had me fun. So. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off my hands. Oh. Alright. Alright. I just don't know, really. This is sticky. Gonna stringy. Miss. Just a miss. Alright. Alright, so I let it sit for a while. So now I gotta grab this. And everything come out.